Hi mga Bebe Loves! It's your girl, Kiki Queen Irish, and I'm back with another video and with another vlog. Andito ako ngayon sa Kamay ni Jesus, and this is Lokban, Quezon. So this is not my hometown, but basically I was staying here for almost, I think, magta 3 years na din. Because my university, where I am learning, where I am studying engineering is nandito, which is the Southern Luzon State University. So, okay, first and foremost, I would like to say sorry because ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit and I am so Mia. Like, missing in action for almost 3 years then because I have to let go of something to achieve something. And what I mean is I have to let go of something so I can achieve more. Like, yeah, basically vlogging is my thing. Where I know how to do it na. I experience to collaborate with people, to celebrities like that. And some scenario happen and I have to choose, which is I have to focus on one thing, and it is my engineering course. Yes, you're right. So I would like to say sorry because I've been so Mia for almost 3 years now. Hi everyone. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako mag-enroll, and this is my I guess this is my last enrollment sa SLSU because it's my second semester. Ito bang ibablog ko? Wow! Grabe guys, hirap na hirap akong ikabit yan. But it's okay. Let's go! Mag-film ako ng vlog. Oh, perfect. Nag-blower na ako. So, hindi na ako nagkulot. Kasi kulot ako talaga and strainate ko muna siya. Pero pressable lang. Pero guys, the problem right now, hindi na siya problem or ano siya. Hindi na kasi ako nagme-makeup. Kasi ang makeup ko lang, pang school makeup lang. And hindi ko alam kung anong look ko today. Tonight, rather. Simplehan na lang natin. I received a message today from Hobbs. Shout out! Yeah, I'm black. I'm back to vlogging. Sabi niya mag-vlog ako. Kaya ka nga binili ng kasi mag-vlog ka para updated siya. Kasi malayo siya. LDR kami. So, we just have to do a quick unboxing. And this is from Hobbs. Hello. Thank you so much. Sorry. Salamat. Ay, okay. This is a BLK. And yes, this is a gift from Valentine's Day. So, instead of a big bouquet, I requested him to give a gift na I want. Which is, I want to try out the BLK Cosmetics. And this is my first ever BLK. Kasi sobrang pricey na. And hindi ko siya awan. I am a focalier girl, which is yung makeup na gamit ko. And I just wanted to try it. Pero na-try ko na siya before. But right now, this is mine na. So I have here this BLK the P. So wala pa siya, di pa siya na-open. Di ko pa siya nagagamit talaga. Yung pang eyebrows natin. That. Focus on the product, not me. Okay. Then the next one is, yeah, this BLK blush on. Pang ano na to? Pang all over the face na ang atake niya. I have here my first ever foundation ng BLK. Sobrang mahal nito guys. Like, it's almost, I think, 400 plus. Diba, sobrang mahal nun. The BLK Cosmetic. Ito yung mga pinag-add to cart ko. Yeah, ako din namili nito kasi limot ko siya. Ngayon ko na lang kasi siya na-unbox and yes. So, this is the BLK Fresh Volume Lash Extension. Wow! Is itong itong shoes. Galing din to sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, mag-jogging na nga ako. And wala akong rubber shoes na pang jogging. And sabi niya, yan, bili na ako nun. And this is it. Wow! Super cute! And by the way guys, sobrang ganda ng quality nitong ano ba to? Corolla. Like that. Super ganda ng quality niya guys. Hi guys. Mamaya ako mag-i-intro. Nahiya ako. Hi guys, so punta ako sa bayan. Yan, bayan ng Lokban, and there's a lot of food there. Di naman ako bili. Bibili lang ako ng, hindi daw siya bibili, pero bibili siya ng, bibili ako ng mais. Yun yung gusto ko. Pero mamaya, if I crave chicken, baka bumili din ako, yun na lang yung kakainin ko tonight. And also, uwi na din ako agad kasi nga, and sobrang lamig. I am enjoying walking. Sobrang lamig dito sa Lokban na ngayon.